tell Jah an eternal day. And where you are gonna run to, where you are gonna run to, yes, on the judgment day.
Come on the stove. Look at that. Yeah man, big up, you know. Yeah man, respect man, the dumpling pretty. Yeah, man, that's some breakfast dinner style right now. You see me? Something quick and fast. Go on. This is what I deal with. A fried dumpling and bully beef, you know. That's what I deal with right now. You see me I say? Yeah man, big up for the follow everybody, you know. The top chef in the building. Look at that. I cook it down with some bully beef. Maybe you are planting. I'm planting, you know, a breakfast for dinner right now. You see me I say? So we are dealing with it in the kitchen. Yeah. Some corned beef with fried dumplings. You know what I mean? They say dumplings. Yeah man, you have to cook it slow, you know. That's why it's gonna be beautiful and tasty, you know. Yeah man, at breakfast time, you eat breakfast anytime, you know. Yeah man, big up yourself, you know. Big up Lisa. How this? Yeah, thank you Tina, big up yourself. At the top chef, you know, make sure you're following the chef guys, you know. Yeah man, fry them slow, make them go and soak, isn't it? Yeah man. fry all of them in the pot right now. What is it, man? Then go and soak, you know? How that? Deva, thanks to the follow. Big up yourself. Welcome to the kitchen. Right now you're in the Top Chef kitchen, you know what I mean? At the Jamaican bad chef, you know. Look at that, you know. Make sure you know subscribe to the YouTube channel, you know. You get long videos, you know. Top Chef done the place on YouTube. Yeah, man. Make sure you know follow this page right now for all of your Jamaican recipes. Yeah man, big up for the follow man. Yeah man, thank you and thanks for the follow everybody. You know, welcome to the kitchen. You know what I mean? I'm going to go and smoke, man. Turn on the stove. I'm going to get them two right now, you know?
Let's all tuck in, get comfy, and rest, and keep doing things.
One more dumpling left. Yeah man, big up yourself. They look good right now. Yeah man, at the Top Chef man, I don't play in the kitchen, you know.
Skin out, the skin out. Now skin out. Hungry. I said you make us angry. Angry people, that's who we are.
Keep your work area clean, you know. It's soft, you see there? It's not tough enough. You see that? So the fat just barely going in it. Yeah man, I saw if it's stay, man. And you don't want no tough nothing, you know?
the skin up, the skin up, the skin up. The skin up, the skin up, the skin up. Get up. And said you make it stand. Hanging. Said you make it stand.
Yeah, thanks for the follow. Yeah man, respect, you know what I mean? Yeah man, dumpling them, all them stay well sharp. If you watch it, hollow inside. I broke one phone, you know, look, you know. See that? You just scoop, it's like scoops. You know, hollow, hot like fire. Let me taste it. Whoa. You had to bone milk oil. Yeah man. I start out some planting next and then grand finale with the bully beef, you know what I mean? The flour nice man.
Treating schizophrenia without a daily pill may seem impossible.
That means
But what if there was a path?
tomato. Now I'm going to use no onion, you know. Alright. Can't wait on. I'm stay now. I'm looking. The flour now burn, man. The flour not burning, brother. That look like it burn. It look like it burn. Not burn, man. It's good. That's the color that I want, you know. You fry it how you want to fry it. You know me? If you not burn, I'm the top chef, you know you. Look at that. I eat it with some corned beef right now, you know. Something quick and fast in the evening. Yeah. Yeah man, that one I go spicy, you know. Get the scotch bonnet pepper, you see me? You see me straight from Jamaica. You see me I say? Hot. Seed and everything. How much oil now? It's a little bit of oil now. Yeah man, the top chef man, you don't know. Make sure I'm gonna follow the page. You know?
Get the best tech talent at your fingertips. Because innovation should never be constrained by the means to bring it to life. Focus on driving impact and leave the rest to us. Contract and payroll management, taxes and local compliance, benefits for developers, engagement and retention.
What the man, y'all? And my diamond, that is yeah.
Alright. Very important, you can't lose this key right here. Turn down the stove like that one. saute it down, you know what I mean? See it there? I like crush it out a little bit, you know? Let her go into the pot next. Rena, this is some corned beef right here. Corned beef, I just took it out the tin, you know what I mean? Yeah man, I put it in the pot over here. I'm putting it in, I'm sauteing some tomatoes right now. You see me? I'm put it in there.
Yes, I'm gonna be in the right
Yeah man, but you know you can't just put it in a pot so you have to. Just splash it with little seasoning, you know, black pepper. Cook down, man. Just give it a little flavor, you know. Yeah man, Takesha, bless up man. Now man, the planting, them need.
Business wins used to take, well,
So they need to flip.
now there's
Done, them
Zoom
both
Info,
is done right
a
now.
market platform that helps you reach marketplace domination. And that is how winners win. Zoom Info, how business goes to market.
Share the beauty more conveniently than ever with Sephora at Kohl's. Find your favorite brands like
But say you now cook them fast and let the stove turn down, you know.
skincare. Bring it to stores and at Kohl's.com. Come today.
What your name? And Duncan Mayo. You talk about wash hand. Wash me hand for. Eh? That brother there, man. It's so easy to criticize, eh? You go wash your hand, man. Wash your face, man. Go wash your hand. Wash your face. You see me? Alright, we share out a plate and come off of this thing. Come on. Woo. See it there? I don't know, you know. Breakfast for dinner, you know what I mean? Big up on yourself. So go on. Make sure you don't follow the page. I mean, the bad chef or the top chef. You see me? Me at the bad chef. Big up on yourself. We're gone. That's it. Bless up until next time.